Hey, we are still building on our research project. So today is introduction and conclusion day. So you should be adding to your template each day. And today we are adding introductions and conclusion, an introduction and a conclusion. So I would like for you to use these strategy pictures, which we've used these before. So I want you to choose an opening strategy, okay? How something that relates to your project, get your audience interested in reading and looking at the rest of your slideshow. Okay, so you want to capture their attention, and then make sure that you choose a closing strategy and you close out and you finish up your project in kind of a pleasant way. Okay, so I wanted to show you a couple of examples from some other kiddos projects. This would be their introduction slide, and then, I'm sorry, their title slide, and then this would be their introduction. Okay, what was the Salem witch trials? And notice they have a nice picture. Another student, this is their title slide, and then this is their introduction slide, and they actually have a video from their uncle who was affected by cystic fibrosis, okay, which is what her project was about. So that was super interesting, grabbed our attention, made us want to know more about her topic. And the third one, kind of some gross pictures, but definitely gets your attention, makes you want to know what in the world this person's talking about. And he gives an overview of cellulitis as his introduction. So kind of graphic, but you can definitely tell that these are attention grabbing introductions. Okay, so use a strategy and keep adding to your research project template. And today I want you to get into your template and introduction on slide 2 and a conclusion on slide 6.